What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Mr. DCYOP here. Alright, now you guys know, you see my old video that I made about getting my custom DCYOP mask. Alright, now I got my sample in. I ordered that sample back in April. I got the sample in May. Alright, now like I said in the previous video, I was getting a sample made from one of my manufacturers that I use overseas, which is in China. All right, now after I got my sample back and signed off for everything and said yes, this is what I want, I love it. Then I made my bulk order, and those went into production. Well, you know what, guys? It's July, and they finally came. All right, so I'm gonna be doing this unboxing with you guys. Now, look at the size of this box. This is all mass. Almost 23 pounds worth of shipping. I wasn't playing around when I ordered these masks. All right, I ordered enough to make my total investment that I put into it and some. So let's go ahead and get these things open and see if everything came out as we wanted. Yeah, so I'm happy they finally got here because, you know, I had customers that keep asking me, when are they going to be ready? When are they going to be ready? But, you know, I mean, normally when you're dealing with overseas manufacturers, things, you know, tend to take a little time. And, I mean, COVID didn't help much either. So, ooh, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Ooh. All right. Here they are. Everything's individually packaged. So they came in their own little plastic poly bag. All my specifications look to be on point. I'm pleased, as always. Alright, but I love the fact that, you know, they weren't just thrown in this box, just all together with no plastic. So now when you're selling them to people, it'll make them feel more confident that, you know, okay, well, they're all individually packaged, so don't have anything to worry about. Alright. So yeah. If you didn't see the beginning, if you didn't see the first video where I show and explain how, you know, I came up with the design and the whole process, go back, watch that video, and here's your results. Alright, now you got some people are against the mask. Others love wearing the mask, you know, because this whole COVID thing, they want to protect themselves. So if you're thinking about getting into, you know, making yourself some masks to sell, don't get discouraged because you see a few knuckleheads not wearing them. Trust me, these things are going to be, we're going to be wearing these things for a while. Alright, and if you can make some money off of them, go ahead. Either, you know, getting them manufactured or, I don't know, making them yourself with plastisol transfers or vinyl, whatever you guys like to use, sublimation. But these are mine. This is the style that I like, and this is what works for me. Let me give you guys an up close shot. This thing is fire, man. I'm gonna put these up on my website too. www.directioncyop.com. So if you guys want to pick these up on my website and check them out, and I'll hook you up. Be fly while you're wearing the mask. Just look, I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm gonna try to hold this box up without having them all fall out, but look at the quantity that I purchased. Right. You know what? They could fall out. I can just pick them up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're raining. We're raining masks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So if you want to make money, man, you got to put in the time. You got to put in the effort. You got to put in the grind, man. Always bet on self. You trying to build a brand? Bet on self, man. Go with your instincts. And, you know, sometimes don't beat yourself up either. Don't beat yourself up. Like, everything isn't going to be a hit. You're not going to knock them out of the park all the time. But just be persistent. Believe in yourself. Make good connections with these vendors. Make good connections with these manufacturers. And just go for yours, man. And I don't know, if you don't know how to design or come up with new ideas, get yourself a partner. You know, hire a graphic designer or somebody that does know how to do that. You know, somebody you can afford within your means. All right, and just go for yours. There are manufacturers out there that will design your whole brand for you for a price, though. You just got to work with them. You guys just got to go out there and do your research. And just, at the end of the day, this sounds cliche because I made it up, but choose your own path. Let's go.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.